It is well established that word retrieval deteriorates with age, which consequently impacts language comprehension. Since words are not produced in isolation, it is also important to study how age influences word processing within sentence contexts, as adults may be further influenced by their semantic knowledge and inhibitory control. However, previous research assessing how context can facilitate or hinder comprehension throughout aging has produced mixed outcomes. Furthermore, there has been minimal research to determine whether task demand can also modulate age effects during comprehension. The purpose of this study was to assess how sentence contexts that either predicted or mismatched a target word modulated age effects, and explore the role of task demands within comprehension throughout aging. This examined whether older adults' intact semantic knowledge helps language processing in matched contexts, and inhibitory control deficits hinder processing in mismatched contexts. 80 healthy monolingual participants were recruited via Prolific. Half were categorised as younger adults aged 18 to 35, and the other half were categorised as older adults aged 65 to 80. The study was a mixed design. 2 age groups were compared during a self-paced reading task. These were the older and younger adults. Participants read all 3 sentence contexts: matched, where the context predicted the target word; mismatched, where the context predicted an alternative word to the target; and neutral, where context predicted many words including the target. For example, the farmer milked the cow would be a matched context, but the farmer milked the hamster would be a mismatched context. Mismatched contexts were unlikely but not completely impossible. Participants also experienced 2 task demands: reading simply for comprehension or reading to answer follow-up questions. For example, participants would either simply read one of the previously mentioned sentences or be asked an additional follow-up question, such as what did the farmer milk? The dependent variable was reading time during the self-paced reading task. The results found a main effect of age, with older adults having longer reading times than younger adults. There was also an effect of context. Participants had faster reading times for the matched compared to neutral contexts, which suggested that semantic information in the sentence helped them to process the target word faster. This match effect did not differ between the 2 age groups. However, participants' reading times did not differ between mismatched and neutral contexts, which suggested that interfering information neither hindered nor facilitated processing of the target word. This finding did not differ between age groups. Task demand also did not modulate reading times for either age group. This suggests that both age groups can use their semantic knowledge to prime upcoming words and facilitate recognition even when simply reading for comprehension. These results have positive implications, as they suggest that facilitating sentence contexts can be used by older adults to help word processing during comprehension by semantically priming words for improved recognition.